Hello everybody, let's make this hen family. First we are pasting these double-sided tape on the body of the hen and then paste this foxtail grass on the top like this. And look, your hen is ready. Paste its googly eyes, draw its legs. We are also making cute little chicks using peanut shell. Add their details like this, draw grass, and look, it is ready. In this video, we are going to make a cute little worm. So make a circle, paste double-sided tape and then roll this foxtail grass around it. And look, it is ready. Now we are going to make the head of the worm. So paste 2-3 foxtail grass around it and look, it's done. Now we are going to make its eyes, paste googly eyes, and look, your artwork is ready. And how cute this worm is looking. Draw a circle and paste double-sided tape like this. Now we are going to roll this foxtail grass like this and complete the circle. And look, it's done. We are going to make octopus here. So paste this grass as its tentacles and look, your octopus is ready. Let's make this cute little hand. Paste double-sided tape on the body of the hand. Paste these foxtail grass and look at the colorful shape feather and look, draw its legs. Now we are also making chicks using peanut shell and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.